Here are a few quick and easy instructions for creating a flexible and stretchy piece of Nuno felt. You will be laying down your wool tops in a diagonal, also known as a herringbone pattern. The instructions in this video are shown using a left-handed layout. See the diagram at the end if you are right-handed. For laying down the wool, note that the thick end of the wool is held with your thumb and fingers, and the thin end is the splayed or drafted end of the wool. The trick is to lay the thick end of the wool on top of the thin end, always at right angles. Your aim is to create one even layer of wool. Fill any remaining areas as needed.